morning, children. I am your social teacher. Today our topic is eclipse. What is meant by eclipse? Partial or total blocking of one celestial body by another. So what is meant by eclipse? Partial or total blocking of one celestial body by another. There are two types of eclipse. How many types of eclipse? Two types of eclipse. One is solar eclipse and another one is lunar eclipse. First, let us know about the solar eclipse. When the moon blocks the sunlight, when the moon blocks the sunlight falling on the earth by coming between sun and earth, no light reaches the earth and it becomes dark. At that time, we should not see the sun with naked eyes, and this solar eclipse is for few minutes. So it may harm to our eyes, so we should not see the sun with naked eyes. We can use the solar glasses to see the sun when the solar eclipse occurs. So this is the diagram of solar eclipse. This is sun and here earth. The moon this is moon. The moon comes in between sun and earth, and this moon blocks the sunlight of earth falling on the moon blocks the sunlight falling on the earth. Okay, children. So usually when sun, moon and earth are aligned, then only the solar eclipse or lunar eclipse occurs. So when they are in line, at that time only solar eclipse or lunar eclipse occurs. Is it clear, Nana? So when the solar eclipse occurs, when the moon blocks the sunlight falling on the earth by coming between the sun and earth, then no sunlight reaches the earth, it becomes dark, and this solar eclipse for few minutes. So one more thing is, we should not see the sun directly with our naked eyes. Okay, second one, lunar eclipse. Here the earth blocks the sunlight falling on moon by coming in between moon and sun. Then there is no light on moon, so this is for few hours. This lunar eclipse may be for few hours. This will occur when there is full moon. When there is full moon, we can see the moon with naked eyes. So I will repeat once again, lunar eclipse. So this eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon by coming in between sun and moon. So this is for, at that time the moon does not receive any sunlight. This is for few hours. This lunar eclipse for few hours. It occurs only when there is full moon. Okay, children, this is the diagram of lunar eclipse. Here the sun, this is earth, and this is moon. So which one is blocking the sunlight of sun? Here the earth is blocking the light not to fall on the moon.
Go.
So these are the two eclipses, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So with this we covered the first lesson. So let us revise what we covered in the first lesson. So the lesson name is The Earth Our Home. So in this we learned about the earth. So what is the shape of the earth, how the earth formed, so how much portion of water is there on the earth, how much portion of land is there, who proved that the earth is round in shape. So these and all we learned, Nana. And apart from that, what we learned? We learned about horizon, coast, the surface of the earth. So how much portion of earth's surface is covered with water, and how much portion of earth's surface is covered with land. So what is continents, how many continents are there, how many oceans are there, these and all we covered in this lesson. And apart from this, we also covered the eclipse. There are two types of eclipse, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So go through the textbook, read the textbook and answer for the textbook part. Okay, bye children.